It is very cold outside, but we're here at the Harry Potter studio tour. Took like an hour and a half bus ride from central London, and I'm very excited. They were playing the movie Sorcerer's Stone in the bus, and now, oh my god, I'm freezing. We get to see all the sets and eat some food, have some butterbeer, and it's gonna be delicious. And the entrance is right there, so I'm gonna get in line. Adam should really be narrating this because he's done this before, but I think we're walking in. I think that's the cafe. That's the dragon. This place is huge. This is massive. This isn't even the set. This is just like at the Smithsonian. Oh yeah, so I think they have a gift shop too, which I'm definitely gonna go to, and I think they sell bottled butterbeer. And I hope it's delicious. That was the Great Hall. They had two tables set up on the sides, and they had the teacher's table, and they had all like the fake foods, but they had the real trees and some of the special effects going, like fire and like real robes, even the real robe that Harry Potter wore. So really, really, really cool. I don't know what's next. See Adam with a camera. Classroom, the coolest classroom in the whole show, movie, series, everything. There's so many small pieces that must have been made and labeled, and the lighting's just really cool. Cool paintings, and also green screen for like the people who talked and moved. That's where it's at. Cool. Someone built that. Like the whole robotics behind that is impressive.
No, it didn't work. Try one more time.
You know, it's my accent.
Yeah.
I think it has to. I have British.
I think it should be British.
Yeah. Wingardium Leviosa.
Nope, definitely not. So.
Yeah, just like Photoshop and also like custom text, and you have to like follow a certain theme. Like Triwizard Tragedies. I would read that book.
When Harry walked into Bertie's house today, he didn't realize he'd be leaving with my entire collected works. Free of charge.
Look, it's the
Marauders map.
Yeah. It's crazy. Unfogging the future. All like fake authors too, which is funny. See all these tiny candies. Halfway through, it's time for food and butterbeer. What I saw was like burgers and hot dogs and chicken, but like spicy, and then like buttermilk and like vegan burger, and then butterbeer. So I'm really very hungry right now. All right, post burger, hot dog, butterbeer, ice cream, butterbeer. Well, now we're on the outside part. They've got snow going, and they have the bridge, and they've got the night bus, and it's cold, so this is the real winter wonderland part. Can I honk the horn?
Honk.
Welcome to the night bus, man. Alright, my final thoughts on this Harry Potter tour is absolutely must do it if you're coming to England at all. It's worth the, I would say, 3-hour bus ride. They dropped us off here at 11 and we have till 5:30, and we used almost all the time. This place is magical. You wouldn't believe what you see, and you're like, oh my gosh, I can't believe I'm seeing this. This is where they were. This is what they use. These are the costumes. It's like, and the art and the lighting, and it's magical. It really is magical, especially if you're a huge Harry Potter fan, or if you just like the movies. You don't have to read the books to enjoy it. If you saw the movies and you liked it, it's really cool. Lots of shopping, butterbeer, they have the ice cream, they have the classic butterbeer, they have food and drinks, and this place is huge and air conditioned. So if it's a hot summer day, I think this place is amazing. This is like a National History Museum, but for Harry Potter. So I loved it. I had a good day. Adam?
Me too. Thanks for watching.